Good evening guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So this is our Bitcoin and Ethereum DMT and Dominator update, as well as our overall Bitcoin update. So straight over to the charts. So as we can see, the DMT still in a buy. The buy line's coming up pretty fast here, and then we're in this shorter time frame buy still as well. Overall we're looking pretty pretty ascending triangly. And yeah, so we could get some fireworks to the upside, maybe get up to that 10.5k region. That would be nice to see. We have got the Dominators actually turned to a sell now though. It almost got to a sell before, and obviously didn't. Yeah, so we actually got to a sell this time. So yeah, so we've got to be cognizant of that fact that we could now go down, but we are in a prolonged strong uptrend here. So it may not be the most efficacious signal, but we will see how it plays out. That has flipped some of my bots anyway, so we'll see what happens. With those. So yeah, we'll have a look at the same on Ethereum. Just type it in here. Here we go. So yeah, Ethereum DMT still in that buy trade. Yeah, still in the buy trade, and that Dominator has actually turned to a sell as well. So I mean, some of the indicators are getting a bit tired here, looking a bit toppy, but I could definitely see another one last push up in Bitcoin before we maybe have a bit of consolidation. Yeah, over to our levels. I'll chart with our horizontals in, so you can see we're still living in this zone here. So yeah, so we can pretty easily just hover around here and then make the shot. That's what I'm kind of looking at, making the shot to this top level here, the moon shot, and then seeing how we react with that level. I'll be very surprised if we break over. I mean, if we do break through there and this same run, I mean yeah, all bets are off. It's 20k, here we come. But yeah, yeah, like I said, I can't see that happening. But then we blasted through some levels pretty quick here that I didn't necessarily see happening. I thought we were going to reject from 9,700, and all that 9,700 did was offer us support as we broke through it. So yeah, so still looking pretty strong. You guys obviously know I drew this extra line in this morning, an extra line of support here, that we've now got. From the, I mean, if we look across, there's a lot of confluence with this zone here. Look. So we didn't have it in before, but now we do. So we don't necessarily have to drop down to this 9,100 level. If we do come back through, we've got support around the 9,500 level. Right, so range and stop. Where did we leave off yesterday? It's a 15-minute chart. How long do I need to scroll back? Yeah, so this was yesterday. We're looking at those perfect sells, perfect entries there. And yeah, we had obviously that rally up yesterday. So a lot of today we have been operating inside the ranges, and broke down a bit here, but I mean, you can see it's only marginal. The bottom of the line did pretty much hold all the price action, bar a tiny bit, which is why it obviously moved down. But the shaded area still staying green, so that's still staying bullish. And yeah, and obviously we've been getting these bullish moves up. I mean, you can see here top of the range today was a good sell, and then we came down pretty quick, not quite to the bottom, but that would have been a great sell trade off the top of the range. The Dominator is still, longer term Dominator is still in a buy. That's actually just switched to sell. It's the same one we've got on the first chart. It's the same sell signal. But yeah, we had the buy there, and we did move up. I've been taking these buy trades today, so they've been working out okay. But yeah, buy trade moved up, and then yeah, I actually took some profit, got some more fills because I had some ladders entries, and then took more profit on this one, so that was great. And then yeah, we moved up again, and we are very tightly in this range now. You can see we're not getting close to either the top or bottom of the new range. But yeah, another buy signal there, and this was pretty much a break-even trade overall. So yeah, so we've actually flipped in the larger time frame to sell. So I will be with this shorter time frame Dominator, I will be looking mainly for sell trades now. That's what my bots are switched onto now anyway. They take buy trades when we're in this buy, so it has just taken this buy, It's a little bit out of sync. This did actually click to buy before this clicked to sell, otherwise it wouldn't have taken the buy trade. And then yeah, so the last piece of information I want to share with you guys is the TD sequential on the daily. So we've got this 7 candle, so 2 more days will get us to a red 9, and then obviously a TD red 9 is a potential sell level. It's be a TD green 9, a sell 9, which will be green. But yeah, so you can see the RSI very toppy on the daily, could make a move down. MACD pretty strong though still. And yeah, volatility quite low, so yeah, so we'll have to see what happens here, but I do think we are due a bit of a retrace. I think the daily 9 is a perfect instigator for that retrace, and I think around the 9,500 level, potentially even the 9,100 level, is a good level to retrace to, and then we can get some constructive price action playing these levels again, and then go for our 10,500. So we'll see what happens there. So right, okay, there we go, guys. That's it. So remember, I'm not a financial I'm not a financial advice, guys. And this is not a financial advisor. Yeah, so wait, so I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and yeah, have a great weekend, guys. I'll have obviously some updates for Bitcoin over the weekend, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon.